Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Shivam and today I'm gonna show you how to open iPhone in home. And for that you need iPhone opening toolkit. I have an order from Amazon and I'm gonna link down below in the description, and this is my toolkit. So let's get started. So basically all iPhones having bottom side 2 screws, and that is like typical for all the iPhones, and it's simple, easy, super easy to open. One of the screwdriver will be fit in those 2 screws and you can open it easily like I'm doing now. And once you done that, just remove your screws and keep it safe somewhere because it's very tiny. Okay, very important step. Now look for the triangular tool which has a flat edges, sharp edges, so that you can open your top glass with the corner edges. Look for the perfect angle and try to open it nicely. What I'm doing now, gently with the corner, slowly try not to screw anything inside, just open this. As you can see, I have opened it carefully, and yeah, that's it. Now I have to look for any loose connection in my mobile, so that the reason why I'm doing this is I dropped my mobile from my hand and my screen guard totally broken, and my mobile badly restarting again and again whatever I am doing on my mobile, and it is restarting my mobile frequently. So this is the reason I have opened my mobile, okay, without going Apple service center. But I tried my best, and I'm cleaning with the earbuds. You can do the same thing, and guess what, I fixed my problem and my mobile is not getting restart automatically. And I tried to connect with the iTunes even, and I restarted my mobile, and it's it's running smoothly. So I connected my mobile to iTunes store, and I tried to take my backup, but it was restarting again and again. So for that reason, now it fixed and running smoothly. I have taken my backup, and now I'm done with the deassembling. Now it's time to assemble the mobile, and it's the same process. How you open the mobile, the same way you have to fix, close the mobile. Make sure your all wires are carefully as it is before, and just press it, push it, and it's closed. Just get it closed. So just check it nicely, make sure it is closed all the way, and yeah, that's it. And find your tiny screws and fix those 2 screws with the screwdriver, and yeah, we are done almost. It's very simple and easy step to do in home without going Apple service center, if something like you have to solve the small problems. Thank you. Share it, like it. Thank you for watching the video. Peace out.